Kenya is holding brief for Daniel Odhiambo, and Mr. Cecil Kuyo, also present. The leadership myself, J.M. Jengo, and directions were given for the hearing of the appeal for further directions with regard to the hearing of up to the end of August.
I'm looking at 9, 10.
We had actually compared our diaries.
New hearing dates are 10 and 11 of July 2018. Because all parties are represented, non-hearing notices will be served. Each of the parties shall have 30 minutes to highlight their submissions. That's well.